welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Change of scenery. We are in Maine. I'm at my family's house on the coast, and I'm here with my cousin. There's just two of us here, and I gotta tell you, it feels great to be out of Manhattan. Things are definitely calmer here, which is nice in terms of COVID, but we're still taking all of the precautions. We got tested before we came, and like basically things are just generally socially distanced up here, much more so than obviously New York City. So I'm feeling great, and I'm excited to bring you along for What I Eat in a Day video. I wanted to do this video because it's kind of like a girls' weekend, and I thought it would be fun to share our mostly plant-based foods with you and kind of what we eat on vacation also. And I'm also really excited to be partnering with a wine company for today's video. They are called Wonderful Wine, and they make clean wines. I'm gonna go around the corner because it's a little windy because I want to tell you more about Wonderful Wine. So Wonderful Wine, like I said, it makes clean wines, and basically that means that they are good for the earth and they're also good for you. And wine is actually one of the things that I think a lot of us don't think about in terms of like toxins, and a lot of grapes are really heavily sprayed with pesticides, but also chemical fertilizers, and clean wines does not have any of that. So I'm excited to be doing like a little taste test with you guys later. We're gonna sit on the porch and watch the sunset and do a taste test of their 3-pack of wine. And if you're interested in trying them, you can get that link down in the description box. They sell 3-packs, 6-packs, and 12-packs, and they come in like a variety of shades, types. White, rosé, and red is in the 3-pack, and that's what we got. So I'm gonna show you the packaging. It's absolutely beautiful, and we're gonna pop them in the fridge and have them later. And yeah, so I'm excited to bring you along for the day. We have a beautiful day. We are working a little bit right now, and then we're gonna go for walks later, probably go to the beach with Trevi later, and just have like a nice girls' weekend. So I'm gonna take you back inside and show you my really quick and easy breakfast, and then we'll just take you along for the rest of the day. So I actually brought all of my little overnight oats that I shared on the channel a couple weeks ago with me, and so this is the high protein version. It's got almond butter, hemp seeds, chia seeds, granola on top, and all I'm gonna do is transfer it into a bowl and then top it with some fresh strawberries, maybe a little bit more granola, and that is going to be my quick and easy breakfast. So easy, but that is my breakfast. Absolutely delicious. And I have 6 flavors on the channel, so if you are not feeling the high protein or you want to make a bunch of meal prep recipes, those are all available for you. Let me show you the other ones in the fridge. So I keep them in these little jars. These are actually a little yogurt jars, and I have like all 4 flavors, and they'll last for a good 3 to 4, if not longer, days. What are you doing? He's such a good girl. What's on your face? No. Girl's friend's so happy here. You're so happy here. Yes, you are. You're so happy here. What's on your little face? All right, so here is what comes in the 3-pack, and you can see everything is sustainably farmed, vegan friendly, and made with organic grapes. So we have the rosé, we have the red, and we have the white. And look on the back. So this is a white from France. This is a red Malbec from Argentina, and this is a rosé from France. I love French rosés. So we are gonna pop the white and the rosé in the fridge, and we'll do our little taste test out on the porch later tonight. Okay, so I have to do some voiceover in this video because we were both on Zoom calls and yeah. So anyway, snack time was a little bit of homemade hummus that Lisa made, and we had a bag of Quinn pretzels, so we both were kind of like snacking on this. Trevi loves pretzels, by the way, as well. So that was pre-lunch snack, and then for lunch, kept things super, super simple and made a green salad with some leftovers. So my salad was a base of just organic mixed greens, and then I topped it with some bean sprouts. Then I also, for my protein, I did a scoop of bean dip, and you could also use refried beans if you wanted. So good on top of salads. Some avocado, of course. And then I also finished everything with a sprinkle of nutritional yeast and lemon. And nutritional yeast adds a really nice flavor and a little bit of protein. And then lemon is just delicious on everything. So here is what I'm having for lunch. Have the salad you just saw me make, and then we also made this last night, which is just basically like a stir fry with tempeh, and instead of soy sauce, because we don't have it here, we made it with enchilada sauce and served it with some white rice. So I'm just gonna eat this and my salad, and that's gonna be it. We're off for a walk with Trevi, and we're gonna go to the beach later, but ooh, the sun just came out. Got a little cloudy, but we are gonna go explore a new place that we've never been. So I'll show you what it looks like, but I guess we're gonna walk along our little river, which is supposed to be really good.
Getting adventurous.
Oh yeah, baby. Ready? Well, this just happened. Oh my god, she smells so bad. Oh, Trevi. Just got back from our walk, and we're gonna do our wine tasting. Yes, Lisa, we're ready to do it. I'm gonna set you guys up so you can see, and we're gonna just do the rosé and white for now because we don't think we'll probably drink a whole bottle of red just because it's still warm and sunny. So I'm gonna set you up, but I do just want to show you one thing really quickly, is that they don't have the like plastic or metal film that most wine bottles have, so I'm sure that that is part of the aspect of being more sustainable and ethical for the environment. So again, this is the French rosé and a French white. What should we try first? White? Yeah. Okay. All right, you can't really see us. We don't have a great, I forgot my tripod at home. So we have the clean white wine. We're just gonna do a little taste for you.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Let's get back so we can. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, I like that.
Really good. It's not sweet at all, which I really like.
Yeah. Really light. Very good summer.
Could really suck this one down pretty quickly.
Maybe poured a little too much.
That's good.
That was really good.
Yeah.
That would be really good with like fish tacos, which is what we're having tonight, or like a salad, something light.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
It's definitely like a little tangy and crispy.
yeah, I like it. This is the rosé. I love French rosés. They're so like light.
Can't say I knew the difference. Thanks a lot for that.
Thanks a lot. Don't fall. Okay, rosé.
Whoa. Different than any rosé I've ever had, I think.
Kind of like floral or fruity or like berry kind of.
Kind of berry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, not sweet at all.
No, not sweet. Very dry.
Just great. Very delish. So we'll be here.
All right, guys. So if you are interested in picking up a 3-pack, which I think is a great deal, it's $60. It includes free shipping. So it's like $20 a bottle. It's organic. It's sustainably farmed, like I said, and vegan friendly, which is hard to find. There's a link in the description box that you can check out. And we're gonna just like sit here. I'm probably gonna make our grapefruit margaritas later, and we're gonna make salmon tacos, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna
And
be
the sun's
so
coming
good.
back
And
out.
the sun is back out.
Yay.
Cheers, guys. All right, it is time for dinner. We are gonna broil some wild caught salmon. We are gonna roast some broccoli, and Lisa is gonna make her famous kale salad, which is absolutely delicious. It's a kale salad with like lemon, olive oil, salt, nutritional yeast, which is like the key.
That's it.
Yeah, it's delicious. All right, so I'm doing a voiceover for dinner because we were blasting music and I don't want to get a copyright infringement. So here is the roasted broccoli. All we did is drizzle it with some avocado oil, salt, and pepper. Baked that at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes. While that was baking, we also prepped the salmon and we used a seafood seasoning from Frontier Spices, I think, as well as some garlic powder and just a pinch of salt. And Lisa likes to broil her salmon, so she kind of did the cooking today, but she broils it for like 8 minutes, and this is a piece of wild Alaskan salmon. And then lastly, the kale salad, which I am so excited to share. I'm sharing it next week, and I will update the description box with that link, but it is a bunch of curly kale, and then you drizzle it with whatever type of oil you want. She likes to use avocado oil. I like to use olive oil. We do some salt, nutritional yeast, and then lemon. And then you just use your hands to basically just massage the kale all together. And it just turns into this like super simple but absolutely delicious salad. And I can't wait for you guys to try it because it is so good. And then that was pretty much our dinner. So here's the roasted broccoli and then our finished plates with the kale salads and our salmon tacos. We had siete tortillas, sliced cabbage, some guacamole, and some siete, actually cashew sauce, as well as some refried beans. Probably took us like 20 minutes start to finish, and it was so tasty. So that pretty much does it for today's What I Eat in a Day video. I hope you enjoyed coming along for Girls Weekend and enjoyed this change of scenery. And I want to also thank Wonderful Wines for joining us in today's video. Like I said throughout this video, if you want to take advantage of that special offer for the 3-pack, $60 plus free shipping, you could take advantage by doing that at the link down in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.